What's up guys, this is Rizender. So I decided to do a video on how you can fix your ps4 auto eject problem. You can see my ps4 down here. So what I just did is that placed I kept a space over here. You can set your ps4 like I have done. You have to lift your ps4 from the surface and have supports on the four sides and not only on one side, since because it does not work if you have support on one side. Have support on four side. And there's another thing that you should know, that you have to tighten a screw in your ps4. So I'm gonna leave a manual uh, in the description. To the website, the Sony's official website, with which will tell you how you can how you can tighten your screw. So the screw placement varies with different model numbers, so I can't show you with mine, since it may not match with mine. So you have to place your ps4 like this and also tighten the screw. I will give the link to the page in the description. So thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.